Hello world, hi, once again back to my channel, welcome back to my other content. In this content I'm going to share with you English small talk made easy, speak confidently in daily conversation. So this part is too much for this reason. When someone says hi, how are you, this video will fix that. Firstly, you must have know what is small talk, why it's not crucial. Small talks means short, friendly conversation we use to start talking, feel comfortable, to or be friendly. It's not deep, not serious, and not long. Small talk is used to break the silence. Like example, hi, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you live in? You are doing now? You can say this kind of small talk, and this is too much crucial for any kind of learning English. And why small talks matter? Job, friends, and confidence. For jobs, like help you sound professional, makes a good first impression, builds relationship at work. And like good morning, how how is work your day? I can say good morning, how is work going today? And for friends and social life, like helps you make new friends, keep conversation going, and makes you sound confidently. Like so, what do you do in your free time for for confidence? Reduce fear of speaking English and make English feel easy and natural. Like pretty good, just relaxing today. And five most common small talk question. Meeting someone new. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from? What's your name? Where do you live in? What's your profession? You can say this kind of small talk. At your off or at your office, you can ask this kind of question like, "How is your day going? Busy today? Are you busy today? Or what you're doing now? What's your next work?" You can say this kind of box. And number three is with your neighbors like, "Good evening. How are things? Did you eat breakfast?" You can ask this kind of question. Like while traveling or waiting, you can say, "Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here? Long way to today. Oh, long way today for you." Online video calls like, "Can you hear me clearly? How is your internet today?" Easy small talk formula like question, react, and ask back. This formula makes conversation natural and smooth. Question, how was your day? React, that sound busy. Ask back, how about you? This keeps the conversation going. Live example, wrong versus right. Like example one, how are you? Wrong, fine. This is called wrong sentences. You can say I'm good, thanks. I just finished work. How about you? I'm good. I'm good, thanks. Just finished work. How about you? You can ask this kind of question. And example show question. Did you enjoy the class? Did you enjoy the class? The people asking yes. This is called a wrong answer. You must have yes. It was really helpful. What about you? It was really helpful. What about you? Question number three. Where are you from? People are saying that I'm Bangladesh. You must have said I'm from Bangladesh. It's a beautiful country. Where are you from? Practice challenge for viewers and students like answer using question, react, ask back. How is your day going? Pretty good. Just learning English today. How about you? This is called a small English small talk made easy. You must have practiced this kind of words. Don't avoid this kind of learning things because mistakes are proof that you are trying to do new things. So don't laughing or don't feel nervous any kind of small talk. Now I'm sharing with you our daily life, small talks like. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. I can't prolong my this content because time is too short. I can't prolong this content. Next time I will connect with you within very short time. This is time for what?